Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the rubber foot on the leveling leg on the Samsung washer. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get started. The most common issue with the rubber foot is it can wear over time, or tear or rip off when moving the washer. For this repair, you'll either need a block of wood to space the washer off the ground to give you enough room to remove the leg, or lay the washer on its back. If you lay the washer on its back, make sure that all the water is drained, that the lid is taped closed, and disconnect the power and water supply from the washer. With the washer blocked off the ground, remove the leg by turning it counterclockwise until it releases. If needed, use a pair of channel lock pliers. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw in the center of the foot and pull off the rubber. If you need a new rubber foot, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on the washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. Now, align the rubber piece to the plastic leg and reinstall the screw. To install, align the leg, turn it clockwise to tighten, then adjust to the desired position. If you need to re-level your washer and you're unsure how to properly level it, you can check out our other video that shows how to do that. When finished, remove the block. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.